the community started as a need post Hurricane Katrina. And so our first programming was centered around backyard container gardening because folks were still uncertain about the soil and there was a need for healthy food options because we had no established grocery stores in this area. But if we take it further back as to how I got started with green infrastructure, that journey began with a conversation with a then 14-year-old, my great niece, Anissa Hyde.
It really was a casual conversation, a really early morning. I needed a ride to a volunteer shift. At that age, I was really interested in the natural world, and Angela volunteered to help me volunteer, and she was interested in what I was learning in school. We were growing plants for our rain garden, and she was just asking more and more questions about it. I loved it because I could answer the questions. I never realized it was going to turn into this.
I became convinced that this green infrastructure, nature-based solutions might be something that I could expand on and get my neighbors to buy into. When this project was installed, it brought the total capacity per rain event to 10,000 gallons per rain event just on that one block. So if we multiply that by all the blocks within a given area, think about that impact that makes. We were able to transform that space from a weeded out, rutted area that did not have a use that now has a community benefit by serving as another means to manage stormwater in the neighborhood.
What Angela would always say is, you can do this too in your community. You can gather residents in your community, come together and create change in your community. And it starts just with a small group of people.
Want people to remember most about my work, it's the fact that we started having conversations in Black and brown communities about the environment and that ordinary citizens can make a change. So long after I'm gone, these trees will be here as a reminder of my legacy that I gave back to my community. And so I'm just looking forward to the next generation of young folks who will take over the next role and provide the innovation and techniques that is yet to be discovered. But for the time being, I'm just going to enjoy the transformation of the green space that I'm entrusted to be a steward for.